Guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you long division. Now first, let's say if we have 228 divided by 4. Now first, long division, here we have 4 and here we have 228. Now how many times does 4 go into 22? 5 times. So 5 times 4 is equal 5 times 4 is equal 20. 22 minus 20 is equal to, now then right here 8. Now how many times does 4 go into 28? 7 times. Now 7 times 4 is equal 28. 28 minus 28 is equal 0. So the answer is 57. Now let's say if you have 182 divided by 7. Now first, how many times does 7 go into 18? 2 times. So 2 times 7 is equal 14. 18 minus 14 is equal 4. Now to write it here. Now how many times does 7 go into 42? 6 times. Now 6 times 7 is equal 42. 42 minus 42 is equal 0. So the final answer is 26. Now another example, let's say if you have 1720 divided by 8. Now first, how many how many times does 8 go into 17? 2 times. So 2 times 8 is equal 16. 17 minus 16 is equal 1. Now 20, write it here. Now how many times does 8 go into 8? Does 8 go into 120? 15 times. So we write it here 15. Now 15 times 8 is equal 120. 120 minus 120 is equal 0. So the final answer is 215. Now let's say if we have 1620 divided by 12. Now here you have 1620 divided by 12. Now first, how many times does 12 go into 16? 1 times. So 1 times 12 is equal 12. 16 minus 12 is equal 4. Now 20, write it here. So how many times does 12 go into 420? 35 times. So 35 times 12 is equal to 420. Now 420 minus 420 is equal to 0. So the final answer is 135.